extra income ideas using AI, part 3 and the last part na. So, for Pinoy edition. So, yung previous episode, pinag-usapan natin two tools that we can use for making money. One is yung image generation tool na pwede, kunyari, estudyante ka at gusto mong kumita ng pera, you can use the image generation tool na pinesend ko using Hugging Face. The other one is creating music using Suno.com. And then the third one, medyo long-term nga lang to, but I think has the biggest impact in terms of your overall career growth. Kasi nga, this is more on a study level. So, pakita kung ano. So, I think recommended ko naman is to acquire maybe a degree or a certification being an AI professional. Kasi currently, malaki po yung kinikita ng mga AI professionals or malaking demand for AI professionals kasi konti lang. So, right now, you can earn from $20 to $25 per hour, even $30 to $60 per hour. No? So, may mga opportunities na open if you are going to be becoming an AI professional. In addition, pwede ka rin you can do AI automation, and some projects you get paid around $1,500 to mga $600 to $900 for a project being an AI automation expert naman. So where do you get to learn about becoming an AI professional? Personally, I would go to try out Google Cloud kasi may libre silang learning for generative AI. So, this is basically, ito lang kayo sa Google Cloud and you can register. Ang maganda dyan, you can choose this course. And beginner course to introduction to generative AI learning path. So, very helpful if you actually take this course kasi it will teach you everything about AI and machine learning, foundational models, utilizing yung meron yung Google currently, which is yung Gemini, Vertex AI, So, I'm using mga medyo mabibigat terms, but yun ang mga malalaman mo when you start studying kasi nga, once you finish the course, you get a certificate. Yan. So, parang ganito, yung magiging tsura niya, you have actual classes, you have actual exams, and very helpful kasi nga long-term yung habol mo naman dito in terms of earning extra income. So, yan. So, explore this possibility of acquiring new skills or acquiring certificate using, by studying AI, taking AI courses. So, one is Google Cloud. At dyan, nagtatapos ang ating mga AI extra income ideas using AI. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-part episode, and if you want to know more about AI, follow me for more and bookmark for this for later. See you guys!